Joining me today is Dev Randhawa. Dev, thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Can you provide us with an overview of Fission Uranium?
Sure. We are a uranium exploration development company. We just finished a pre-feasibility. We're completely focused on one project in Canada, middle of Canada, called the Athabasca Basin. And it's a very unique project. Kind of a unicorn, I would say, in the last 60 years. It's a uranium high-grade deposit, large, in Canada, but unique part is very close to surface. So it's one of the few that will be able to open pit if you want, you go underground if you like. So it's a very unique project. We've been very fortunate to have. We're owned 20% by a Chinese SOE, CGN, which I call the mothership of the industry. So the Athabasca, to put it in perspective, is kind of like the Saudi Arabia of oil. The grades are super high, great government, not in your, so you don't worry about, it had 70 years almost plus of uranium exploration and development. So it's a great place to be. So for investors, you want a great jurisdiction, high grade, large, and something unique, which has been very shallow. So it's one of a kind.
Tell us a little more about the company's key projects and recent developments.
Well, we are completely focused on this, but we have a great history though, and I think it's important pointing out for investors. A lot of people always say, I will build it, they will come. That kind of, field of dreams mentality. But we've done this before. We've been able to find projects, bring in the crazy money, as I call it. Like, for example, we bought a project in 2005 that Sumitomo loved. They were going to put in 50 million. Eventually that became Energy Fuels. We then took a project on the east side of the basin, which we put 100 grand into. The Korean Electric Power Company put 15 million into. We sold that for 120 million. We did it again. Now we got the Chinese. So we're unique in that we not only we are contrarian thinkers. The old saying, you're a contrarian or you're a victim. So we've chosen not to be a victim. And so we think outside the box, and we've been fortunate to get Asian utilities to invest with us. And that's key because drilling is expensive, but other stuff isn't. So we're very fortunate to have good teams, found stuff that nobody else has, and Asian groups came in, put up the money, and helped us develop it to production.
How has cross-trading on OTCQX been beneficial for your shareholders and your investor base?
Well, it's been very beneficial for us. We're based in Canada, and our population is only 30-odd million. You got 300 in the United States, so we get 10 times the market, and the more risk-loving. So it's been very important to us to have the cross-trading so that U.S. investors can buy the stock with ease versus having to phone a broker up in Canada, fill all the applications. They can do it right from their home.